Hi you guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my Flagstaff Home. I am here today to talk about a technique that I tried in basket making that had a surprising result, and I really like it, and I thought I would share it with you. So first of all, I have a very detailed instructional video on YouTube that will show you how to make a basket from pine needles. And this is, you know, kind of what the style is. You can't, well, some of them, you see that this is white thread. This one has tan thread, so you don't really see it. But if you want to learn how to do a basket, I have a step-by-step tutorial, and I will link it for you in the description box. This video is not going to teach you how to make a basket, but the one that I have linked in the space below tells you like the kind of materials you're going to need, provides links to where you can get the materials, how to prep your pine needles, and then I get up close with the camera, just like the camera on my hands, and I show you how to make the video. You know, I'm an amateur with making videos, and so there will be times that my fingers, you know, my hands kind of go out of the view of the camera, and then I realize and I come back. But I get some complaints from people about that, but most people, the overwhelming response is that people find it to be a very helpful instructional video, and they learn how to make baskets. I have another video that I'm going to link in the space below that teaches you how to treat your pine needles with vegetable glycerin, and that will deepen the color of the pine needles. It will keep them flexible, because if you don't treat them with something like that, you have to keep the pine needles damp all the time, or otherwise if you try to bend them, they'll break. And so you end up with a lighter color. Well, what you end up with is the pine needles exactly as they look when you harvest them from the ground. But if you're interested in trying the glycerin needles, how to treat them that way, there is a video. It's really simple to do. And then I'm going to link one more video for you that is a Q&A, and I've gotten so many questions over the years since I posted my first instructional video, and I thought I would put together a video that sort of addressed all of those questions at once, and so that will be in the space below as well. Okay, so but the technique I wanted to show you is, now you see these are coil baskets. You start in the middle and it goes around and around. So what you end up with is a round basket. And then I put some embellishments here, pine needle or pine cones, and you could do, you know, any number of embellishments. But you can also do, they're pretty flexible. I've done some baskets that kind of turn up on the side and see, like that. Pine needles are pretty flexible as long as they're not completely dried out. So yeah, you can bend them into some different shapes, but for the most part you're going to end up with a round basket because it's a coil and coils are round. But I tried something recently that gave me a different result that I really liked. And so take a look at this basket. Look, you guys, it's square. I mean, it doesn't have pointy corners, but all I did is I made the basket just like I had with my other baskets. It's a coil. It just goes around and around and around. But when I got to this outer edge, I created this this shape here, this pattern. So I have a wrapped section and then one little short section, and then I do another wrapped. I'll get a close-up in here so you can take a look at it. And so by doing that just on the corners, it made it square instead of round, and so I was so excited about it. It's like it pulled it yeah. I don't even know exactly why it does this, but I love the shape of it. Here's a smaller one that I did that came out the same way. I like to actually sit these guys like this together, and it looks kind of cool. But who knew, right? Who knew that you could just do something, you know, in different parts of the basket and it would actually change the overall shape of the whole thing. So anyway, like I said, you can take a look at the instructional videos for the basics of how to do a basket, but if you just do a shape like this in the corners, you're gonna end up having something that creates a different shape. So hopefully you like this video, you guys. Hopefully you've given it a try making baskets. I love it. It's just something I'm kind of obsessed with, but I hope that you enjoy making them. Please let me know if you have questions. If you're stuck on something, I will answer your questions. And I do have a few other videos. I have one that shows an up close about where to actually put the needle in when you're making your stitch. So just go to my Flagstaff Home or youtube.com/myflagstaffhome and look up pine needle baskets in the search window, and it will bring up every video that I've done about making baskets. And so check out some of the other ones too, because I have some videos about how to finish your edges in different ways and embellish at the end, you know, whether you're putting something like this on or if you're just leaving it. So different things like that. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful, and again, let me know if you have questions, and I hope I'll see you guys again on my Flagstaff Home. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.